to my channel once again. XO Sheba here, and if you're new, hello and welcome to the XO Squad. Today's video, I'm talking to you guys about how to make your lace front wigs last a long time.
This the way that we rock. I'm from the bottom, so I aim for the top. And you crazy in the mind if you think I'ma stop. And I'm young, black, and living, still dreaming a lot.
So, getting into how to make sure your lace front virgin hair wigs last a long time. We're gonna get into all the tips and details that I use and I've been using, even just on bundles in general, to make sure that they last me for, you know, years. You know what I'm saying? Like at least a good year. At least a good year, you know. This hair is from Hello Fab Hair. This is the Brazilian lace front wig. You guys already know Hello Fab Hair. Link down below if you want to check us out. Just saying. But yeah, anyways, this applies to all virgin hair, well, quality virgin hair. If y'all getting, you know, them $20 virgin hair bundles, I can't help you. So, tip number one is make sure you are cleaning your lace. When you clean your lace, that's how you get that, you know, wet frontal action, that blended action going on where you can pull your hair back and nobody can really tell what's going on unless they all up in your scalp and stuff like that. But they shouldn't be that close. Caked up lace will not adhere to your head and you will have lifting action and all that stuff. So make sure you're cleaning your lace. Clean it with a toothbrush. I have a video. I'll link all that down below as I talk about them if I have a video on what I did. But yeah, clean your lace with a toothbrush, you know, scrub it down. Gentle though, because you don't want to worry about your baby hairs. But scrub it down. And get all that gunk out of there so you wiggle it. Tip number two is to make sure you're using moisturizing products for your washing and your conditioning. I don't even use regular shampoo on my virgin hair bundles anymore. I only use like a co-wash or something. There's actual, you know, products, y'all know, there's actual products out there called co-wash that cleanse the hair but are very gentle and stuff like that. Or at least, you know, a sulfate-free shampoo or something like that. But sulfate, as you know, will strip the hair and it will also strip your bundles or your virgin hair lace front wigs or your virgin hair full lace wigs, all that stuff. It'll strip those too. So you want to avoid those, especially on hair that you paid for. Deep condition when you do your wash days. I would recommend doing a wash day maybe once a week or every 2 weeks. Deep condition on your wash days. I either deep condition with coconut oil or I use an actual deep conditioner. And even make sure that the conditioner you use, that's just your regular conditioner, is like, you know, it's got some type of added moisture or is something that's made for adding moisture to your hair. Tip number three, give your hair some slip with some argan oil. Where's my argan oil so I can show y'all? I use argan oil like the OGX. I use the argan oil that's the penetrating one. I don't know if that's gonna read, but it's the penetrating one that gets into like the hair shaft and everything and moisturizes the inside out. That's the type of argan oil I use, and it pairs well with our Hello Fab hair. My cousin, you know Grace, y'all know who Grace is if you rock with me. My cousin Grace, who also owns it with me, she used it on our Indian hair. She has our Indian wavy, and plus argan oil is a light oil, so as you can see here, it's not like weighing it down and causing it not to move and stuff, but it's well conditioned and giving me some slip so my hands run through it. Tip number four, make sure you are wrapping your hair up at night with your extensions or your wigs, whatever it is. You don't want to sleep freely with your hair out because that will cause tangling, and then, you know, it'll cause a mess, and then it's gonna shed a little because you got it super tangled because you was rolling around in it all night. So put it up, you know, help yourself as much as possible. You know, sometimes I did my nighttime routine on here. I'll link that down below, but I will twist it. You know, I'll twist it all the way to the bottom and then pin them up or something like that. Or you can take the wig off at night and put it on your mannequin head or put it back in a plastic bag. Whatever you do, just make sure it's not, you know, it's not in a situation where it's gonna tangle. Throwing it around will cause tangling. You know, take care of your extensions, put them away at night, brush them out, you know, give them a chance. And then tip number five, this is mostly for people who do bundles more so than wigs, but you know, you can apply it and make it fit for you too, you know. But when it comes to the virgin hair bundles, make sure when you're taking out your weaves that once you wash and condition and dry the hair, if you're not gonna put it back in your head, make sure you put it in some plastic bags, you know, Ziploc bags or something to contain it so that you're not just throwing it around and, you know, it'll end up in the back of your closet and you're ready to wear it again. It's a whole tangled mess going on. You don't want that either. That's not gonna help you because what you're gonna have to do is detangle it, and then you're gonna lose hairs. And then you're gonna have thin, you know, tracks and wefts and all that stuff. And who wants that? You know, you pay too much money to be throwing it around and not getting your money's worth. So follow these tips, you guys, and I guarantee you your hair will last a long time. Trust me, this is stuff I was doing even before I had a hairline, okay? Back in the day when I was weaves galore. I was wearing the same pack of weave for a good year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. Don't forget to make sure your notifications are turned on so you don't miss no uploads from your fave. You don't miss no uploads from your fave. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.